Okay, here's a predict the product question. So, taking things one at a time, I suggest that you draw the product out first and then compare your product to the answers to see which one matches. So in this case right here, we have an alkyne and we treat it with Lindlar's. This is going to give a cis alkene. And so we are going to go ahead and I suggest numbering these longer chains, 8 carbons. Because that really comes in handy. I drew one too many carbons. But between 6 and 7, there should actually be a cis alkene. So we'll change that to a cis alkene. And then the next takes 2 bromines and puts it across that alkene. So we get rid of the alkene. And we add 2 bromines to it, keeping the orientation of the original line. And the 2 bromines are added in an anti-fashion. So if you choose one to be a wedge, the other one to be a dash. In the entire process, we're going from achiral to chiral. Therefore, you get a racemic mixture. And so if we take a look at these, all of these have 8 carbons, and we end up with bromines on carbons 6 and 7. So they all have the correct positionings. Now I just have to figure out if they have the right stereochemistry. And for that, it's a good idea to, on your structure that you've drawn, figure out R and S. 1, 2, 3. That's an R chiral center. 1, 2, 3. That's also an R chiral center. And since it's racemic, that means we're going to have a mixture of molecules that are RR and SS and not RS or SR, because these would be the diastereomers. So now it's just a matter of figuring out R's and S's. 1, 2, 3. That's an R. 1, 2, 3. That's an S. We can rule him out. 1, 2, 3. That's an S. 1, 2, 3. It's also an S, so he's a possibility. 1, 2, 3. That's an R. 1, 2, 3. That's an S. He's out. 1, 2, 3. It's an S. 1, 2, 3. It's also an S. So it turns out that these 2 molecules right here, well, that doesn't make any sense. Let me double check that. It's actually an R. It's a good idea to double check these things. R. That's an S. It's an S. It's an S. And let me double check this one right here. R. This one I made a mistake on. Did it too quickly. 2, 3. That's an R. So it's so easy to make a mistake on these. So RR, SS, that's a possibility. We're looking at A and B. So E is the correct answer.